Hello all, my name is Varun Vairavan, a student of Premier Academy, and I'm about to start my articleship. I'm here to share with you all the benefits that I've received by using the very customized material provided by Hariharan sir, which is known as the pocket size book. I'm very sure many have this pocket size book, but are not fully aware of its actual benefits. So, this book comes in two variants. Number one is for costing, and the second one is for financial management. So, the pocket size book is divided into two major parts. The first part consists of concepts, which would be about 20-25 pages, which would contain bullet points which will explain the most important concepts in costing and FM. In the second part of the book consists of formats and formulas. Formats and formulas is the place where most of the students lack, including me. The benefits of this pocket sized book are it's easy to carry around because it's going to fit into your pockets easily and you could take it anywhere, anytime. The answers that have been provided to the questions are in a very condensed manner, so it takes less time to understand and to study. The third benefit is that you can get a conceptual clarity of the concept and the keywords that are required to answer a question. And the fourth, most of all, it's easy to memorize because it's got bullet points. In my case, I read the pocket size book first and then I prepare sticky notes and I use them to revise. So, sticky notes is a concept in which you make summarized versions of the concept that you want to understand and you see the note on everyday basis so that it gets stored in your permanent memory. So, this was a concept that was introduced to me by Bharat sir of Premier Academy. And also, when I had appeared for my intermediate examinations, I used to carry the pocket sized books for revision purposes because it's only going to take me 15 minutes to revise all the answers in a condensed manner. So it's more like a swish brush up of the keywords that have been given. So I'll read a few extracts from the book so that you can understand the in-depth coverage that the book provides. For instance, in FM, there's a question which is known as the role of CFO, and it's considered one of the important questions. So the role of a CFO includes planning, capital structure decisions, investment decisions, working capital management, and risk management. So as you can see here, it's been given in a very condensed manner and it's in bullet points. So it's easy to understand as well. And if you had attended Hariharan's class, this concept would have been explained using a chart. So the chart is going to have five limbs, and each limb will belong to the role of a CFO. So using this manner, you'll be able to have a conceptual understanding of the question along with the chart, which makes it easier to understand and to get a grip of the question. And for costing, we have a concept known as stores record, which has three parts: bin cards, stock control cards, and stores ledger. So when I read this, I'm able to connect it with the bin card diagram that was drawn in Hariharan sir's class. And the most important question of all, what's next? What comes after a concept? How do I know where is the link between this question and that question? Well, the biggest advantage of this book is that you can always find a link to the question. It's because when we study about stores record, just after stores record, we've got bin system, a two bin system. A two bin system forms part of the bin cards. So when you study using this book, you have a control over the chapters and you also have a control over the concepts and the flow in which the concepts are going to come and you're able to understand. I'm not saying only reading this book is enough to clear your CA exams. If you first read this book, you'll get a conceptual clarity and the required keywords through which you can build up your own answers. The answers that the examiner wants to see in our answer sheets. I personally feel that as far as the costing and FM papers are concerned, if you read the pocket size book completely and solve the LMR book questions given by Hariharan sir, along with the ICI's RTPs and MTPs, it should be more than enough. I feel that this book is a must for all CA students who feel that they are lacking in costing and FM theory. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the faculties of Premier Academy for the vigorous efforts that they've put to establish future CAs and rank holders. And I also thank Hariharan sir for providing me with this opportunity. Thank you.